Hello guys, friends. Today we are going to learn how to create an IoT-based home automation or cooling system with temperature and humidity metrics on cloud. So here for this particular project, we are going to use NodeMCU module that will be used to upload your data to the cloud, and we are going to use the ThingSpeak cloud for the same. So quickly we'll start with how to create an account in your ThingSpeak cloud. So you can follow us on our website www.pingmill.in to get more ideas of different kind of clouds and different kind of project on IoT cloud. So first create an account on ThingSpeak.com, and when you create an account, it will ask for the option of how do you want to create account. Like how you're planning to use the ThingSpeak, that is for commercial work, government work, personal teaching or student use. So my recommendation is to go for personal non-commercial projects. You can also choose teaching or student use as per your requirement. In the personal account, you will get 4 channels free of cost. So these 4 channels you can use for uploading the data to from your IoT edge application to the cloud. So go to the thingific.com once you've created account and logged in. You go to new channel, create a new channel, name your channel, and give 2 fields. The 2 fields are the field where we are going to upload the data of the temperature and humidity. Give a proper name to your channel, and then save channel. After saving channel, note down the API keys. Go to the API keys tab and note down the write API key and the read API key. So write API key is for when you want to place some data on your cloud, and read API key is when you want to read some data from the cloud. So note down both of these keys in a sticky note or in a notepad anywhere and keep it handy. So this is the key that we'll be using when we are programming our NodeMCU. Now the next step is to program NodeMCU module using Arduino IDE. So you can download the Arduino IDE if you have not already installed in your laptop or system. So download the latest version of Arduino IDE from the arduino.cc website, and then go to the file preferences. The reason why the reason is that NodeMCU doesn't come by default with the Arduino IDE, and we have to add additional boards to the Arduino IDE for the NodeMCU support. So go to file preferences, and then in the additional boards manager URL, so you see the blue arrow being marked there. So type the link for that, and the link for that is also placed here. If you want to know more detail about the library, you can go to the github.com website and type the above link. So there you will get the detail about this library. For now, you can just use the JSON link which is pasted here, and then go to tools. In your Arduino IDE, go to tools, board manager, and in the tools board Arduino, you will see currently you don't have NodeMCU module over there. So once you go to the board manager and then you type ESP8266 and click on install. So this will install the ESP8266, that is the NodeMCU module, the board. Now when you go to the board, you will be seeing that ESP8266 support is there, and you can see NodeMCU 1.0. This is the module which we are going to use, is also there. Now the next thing that we want to do is that since we are going to use DHT11 and DHT22 sensor with the NodeMCU module, so we want to include a library for those in the Arduino IDE. So go to the manage library tools, manage libraries, type DHT11. So you will get a DHT sensor library by Adafruit, and download, install the library. And next is that you have to make a connection NodeMCU DHT11 as shown. So now here you can give the VCC and ground from the NodeMCU module itself. So you can give a 3v3, that is 3.3 volt VCC to the DHT11 sensor, and you can connect the data pin to the D5. So the next thing, that very important thing that you have to understand here is this diagram. So in this diagram you can see that D5 is mentioned as GPIO 14. The reason being that D5 is the pin number for the NodeMCU module, whereas the corresponding pin number for Arduino IDE will become GPIO 14. So this table is very important. So whenever you are making use of any of the GPIO ports, you have to use this number. These numbers you have to make use of in your Arduino board, and not these numbers. So you have to make use of these numbers and not these numbers. Next thing is that you have we have given you the Arduino code already. So you can copy paste the Arduino code in your Arduino IDE and then try to compile the code. So this is the one for compiling the code, and this is the one for uploading the code. So we'll not upload the code now. First we compile the code and check for any of the syntax error or any such. Once you have corrected those errors, then you go to uh, then you check to which port NodeMCU is connected. So sometimes what happens, the NodeMCU is not assigned a port number. The reason being that the NodeMCU uses CS340 or the CP2102 driver. So if the NodeMCU module that you have is using CS340 driver, then it will mostly be available in your system. But if it is CP2102 driver, then you will have to install the driver. So download and install the CP2102 driver from the given link, that is from the scilab.com, and then you go to the device manager and right click on your CP2102 USB hardware. Here you can do right click and then click on update driver. Once you click on update driver, then you will get into this screen, browse my computer for driver software. Go to the location where you have pointed, where you have installed downloaded that driver. Depending on your 64-bit or 32-bit, choose the installer, and then you are done. So this is done. Now when you will go to the Arduino ID, you will be able to see that the port COM1 or any COM8, COM3, COM4, any COM port depending will be assigned to your NodeMCU module. Once that is done and your program is also compiled successfully, then try to upload the program using this button. In this button you can try to upload the program, and now go to the serial monitor. So in the serial monitor you can see that some data will start coming. So currently you can see in this we have failed to read from DHT sensor. The reason being that when we started to write a program, that time we have not used the pin number 14 in the program. We have not used the pin number 14 here, but we used pin number 5. So because of that, once we corrected to pin number 14, then we started getting the correct data. Now the next thing that we want to see is that how to check the data being uploaded on the NodeMCU module. Again, go to the ThingSpeak.com, log into your account, and see the channel. So you can see that the temperatures and humidity sensors data are being recorded here. So this data you can use at multiple different way. One more thing to notice here, we have a channel location also here. So it can also locate your latitude and longitude if a GPS module is connected to your Arduino NodeMCU. So you can interface a GPS module, and you can also latitude and location data. So that will also help you in knowing like at which location what temperature and what humidity is currently trending. So next thing that we want to do is that we want to control a fan with this thing. So we have connected a relay to the pin number 4 to the GPIO 4. We have connected a relay. So as you can see in the diagram, we have connected a relay to the pin number 4. So whenever the temperature data, as you can, I don't know whether you will be able to see it or not. So no problem. Okay. So in the code you will be able to find out that we have given a threshold value for the temperature. So whenever the temperature rises above the threshold value, the relay will turn on, will make the GPIO pin go high, that will turn on the relay, and when the relay is on, the fan will start turning on. So this is how you can complete the setup on your breadboard. So follow the circuit diagram I have shown here and complete the setup. You have the program, you have the methods to load it to cloud, connect to cloud. So that's all guys. This is a very cool project that you can make with NodeMCU. You can make multiple such projects from NodeMCU. Log into www.pinwheel.in. You can get to know many different projects using NodeMCU, Arduino, and many other things. Also, you can subscribe, go to our YouTube channel on YouTube and search for Pinwheel Robotics, and you can subscribe to our channel and you can get regular updates about us and about the projects that we are building. So you can follow us on Instagram as well. You can like us on Facebook. So yeah, so that's all guys. I hope you liked the video and you enjoyed making this project. Please post your comment on YouTube, or send us a photo of the projects that you are making and how it is running. And also for any kind of a difficulty and a problem and you want assistance, please write an email to admin@pinwheel.in. Yeah, thank you.